How to get a marriage license in Ontario. To get married in Ontario, you'll need to apply for a marriage license at any city or town hall in the province. Step 1. Complete the application. Download the marriage license application form from the Ontario government website or pick it up at your local city hall. Both partners must fill it out and sign. Step 2. Gather your documents. Each partner needs 2 pieces of original, valid government-issued ID. One must include a photo, like a passport or driver's license. If either partner is divorced, bring the original or court-certified certificate of divorce. If you're 16 or 17, you'll also need parental consent. Step 3. Submit in person. Many municipalities require an appointment, so check ahead. At least one partner must attend with the completed form, all IDs, and the application fee, which varies by location. Your license is valid for 90 days and can be used anywhere in Ontario. There's no waiting period, and you don't need to be a Canadian resident to apply. After the wedding, apply to Service Ontario to get your official marriage certificate.